Hey garden lovers, welcome back to Homespot. Spring is almost here, and there is no better time to give your garden a gorgeous fresh makeover. If you have been waiting for the perfect moment to get inspired, this is it. Today we are walking you through 16 fun and easy ideas to decorate your garden and make it the most beautiful spot on your street this spring. Grab a handful of smooth river rocks and a few pots of pastel paint, and you have everything you need for this easy spring project. Paint them in soft lavender, mint, and blush pink, then line them along your garden path. It is simple, budget-friendly, and instantly transforms the whole look of your outdoor space. If you want to add a dreamy, romantic touch to your spring garden, hanging floral lanterns are the way to go. Fill glass or metal lanterns with fresh or faux flowers like daisies and baby's breath. Then hang them from tree branches or a pergola. The result is absolutely magical, especially in the afternoon light. This one is a total showstopper, and it is easier to make than it looks. Stack terracotta pots from largest to smallest, planting trailing petunias or cheerful pansies in each tier. The finished tower becomes a stunning vertical centerpiece that draws the eye upward and fills your garden with cascading color from top to bottom. Wind chimes already bring movement and music to a garden, but dress them up with dried flowers or small artificial blooms, and they become something truly special. Tie clusters of dried lavender or white everlasting flowers to bamboo tubes with twine. Every time the breeze passes through, your spring garden feels even more alive and full of gentle energy. A wheelbarrow planter is one of the most classic and charming spring garden ideas, and it never gets old. Fill a vintage or thrifted wheelbarrow with a lush mix of pink tulips, white hyacinths, and coral snapdragons. Then park it along your garden path or near the entrance. It looks like something straight out of storybook garden. Your garden gate is the very first thing people see, so why not make it unforgettable? Hang a lush handmade spring wreath crafted from eucalyptus, soft peach ranunculus, and flowing cream ribbon right on the gate. It frames the entrance beautifully and sets the tone for the entire garden, welcoming every guest with color, texture, and seasonal charm. A plain garden fence is basically a blank canvas waiting to be transformed. Paint a cheerful spring scene directly on the wood, blooming fields, oversized flowers, or a sunrise in soft pastels. Even bold graphic patterns like polka dots or color stripes work wonderfully. It adds serious personality to your garden and looks incredible as a video backdrop. Give your Birdbath a proper spring refresh this year, instead of leaving it plain and forgotten. Surround the base with a ring of blooming daffodils and hyacinths, and drop a few decorative glass beads into the water to catch the sunlight in beautiful, sparkling reflections. It becomes a living garden sculpture that attracts birds and looks gorgeous in photos. A potted herb garden is both beautiful and completely useful, which makes it one of the smartest spring decorating ideas on this list. Plant fragrant herbs like mint, flowering lavender, and lemon balm into coordinating terracotta pots. Then label each one with a hand-lettered wooden stake. Arrange them on a bench or shelf for a styled, intentional look that smells absolutely amazing. String lights are one of those magical touches that completely transform any outdoor space, and a full canopy is even better. Weave warm or multicolored lights between posts or tree branches above your patio seating area to create a glowing overhead canopy. As evening falls and the lights come on, your spring garden becomes the most beautiful and inviting spot imaginable. Spring is the perfect excuse to style your outdoor dining table like it belongs in a magazine. Fill a long wooden box with a lush mix of pink ranunculus, white anemones, and violet sweet peas. Then tuck small glass candle votives between the blooms. The result is a stunning table centerpiece that makes every outdoor meal feel like a special celebration. If you want one garden feature that delivers maximum visual impact for minimal effort, install a trellis and let climbing roses or clematis do all the work. Train the vines upward, and by mid-spring you will have a spectacular vertical wall of blooms in pink, white, or purple. It adds height, structure, and undeniable romance to any garden space. Forget plain, boring pots. This spring, go bold with a color blocking technique that gives your planters a fresh and modern edge. Paint terracotta or ceramic pots in strong two-tone combinations like coral and white, yellow and sage, or blush and navy. Group them together on your patio for a graphic, visually satisfying arrangement that looks curated and completely Instagrammable. Swapping out your outdoor rug and throw cushions is honestly one of the easiest and most impactful upgrades you can make to your garden this spring. Choose covers in floral prints, fresh stripes, or botanical leaf patterns in coral, green, and cream tones. In under an hour, your garden seating area feels brand new, cozy, and perfectly in tune with the season. A cluster of decorative birdhouses grouped together on a single post creates one of the most charming and eye-catching focal points a spring garden can have. Paint 5 birdhouses in coordinating spring shades like sky blue, lemon yellow, mint green, lavender, and soft coral, then mount them at varying heights. The composition looks intentional, playful, and completely delightful from every angle. An old wooden ladder leaning against a garden wall becomes the most charming display shelf you never knew you needed. Style each rung with potted spring flowers, a rustic watering can filled with wildflowers, a glowing lantern, and a small chalkboard sign that reads Hello Spring. It tells a beautiful seasonal story and creates one of those irresistible garden corners people love to photograph. And that is a wrap on our 16 spring garden decorating ideas for 2026. Whether you go for painted stones, a fairy garden nook, or a dreamy string-like canopy, the most important thing is to have fun and make your outdoor space truly yours. Every garden tells a story, and spring is the perfect chapter to start fresh. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Homespot so you never miss an idea, and drop your favorite pick from today's list in the comments below. We would love to hear from you.